Hi, my name is Miguel Calles. In this course, we will learn how to master AWS Serverless. So there's quite a few topics we're going to cover in this course. We're going to go over an introduction of what AWS Serverless is, what the applications are that you can build with serverless, how do you design one, and then we'll go through the steps of actually creating an application. We'll start by launching a website, and then we'll create an API that's an application programming interface where the website can get data from a backend and update the front end, which is a website. We'll learn how to save and use data that we've saved in the backend. We'll add authentication and authorization so we can allow users to sign up for our website. Now we'll learn how to process data, send notifications, and then we'll cover other topics. So first, I want to share the Mastering AWS Serverless book. You can get your copy of the book or get a free preview at the book website. So this is the Mastering AWS serverlessbook.com website. You can get your copy here by clicking that button, and it gives you the locations of where to buy the book. You can also get a free preview of it. This is a free preview provided courtesy of the BPB, the publisher of the book. So a lot of diagrams and explanations in this book. Here you see a full copy of the book that I'm going to go over briefly so you can get a feel for what it's inside the book. So there's quite a few pages. There's over 400 pages. The first few chapters are dedicated to concepts of serverless. And then in chapter 4, you start getting into exercises. You see there's several hands-on exercises that are listed in the book. Here in chapter 4, you'll see the first set of exercises. So there's a brief overview of what to do, and then it goes straight into hands-on exercises. So you see the first hands-on exercise is to secure your account with multi-factor authentication if you hadn't done that. And then how do you register a domain? And then how do you enable website hosting using serverless? And you get access to code, step-by-step instructions, figures to guide you along. So now that I've shown you a copy of the books, I just want to set some expectations for this course. So this book does align to the book. You're not required to buy it to make this a successful course. It might be helpful because the book will go into more details, and you can follow it step by step. But for visual learners, this would be one way to see it done in a video and step by step, whereas I couldn't put an image for every step in the book. So it's not going to be a one-for-one match. There might be some deviations to the book, but the overall concepts that are in the book and a lot of the exercises will be in this course. This is not going to be a course to go heavy on concepts. We're going to go briefly into the concepts. I want to spend more time and focusing on exercises so that you can see it and build yourself. So by the time you're done with this course, you will have a working serverless website, front end and back end. So with that, we'll start with a course.